How to track someone in Google Maps. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to share and track someone's live location using Google Maps. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Google Maps tutorials. First, open the Google Maps app on the other person's phone. Now, tap on their profile picture in the top right corner. Make sure they're signed into the correct Google account. From the menu, tap on Location Sharing. Now, tap on New Share at the bottom. By default, Google Maps usually shares the location for 1 hour, but you can change this. Switch it to until you turn this off if they want to share their location permanently. After that, choose who they want to share the location with. They can select a suggested contact, enter an email address, or tap on Messages to send the location sharing link directly. Once they tap share, you'll receive the link and be able to track their live location in Google Maps. As long as location sharing stays enabled, you'll continue seeing their updated location on the map. And that's it. That's how you can track someone in Google Maps using location sharing.